Are you curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2026 Acura Integra? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2026 Acura Integra's engine compartment fuse box houses high-power circuits that protect essential systems like the engine management, cooling fans, ABS, and lighting. It's designed for quick diagnostics with clearly labeled fuses and relays, ensuring reliable operation and easier servicing. Interior fuse box. The 2026 Acura Integra's interior fuse box controls low-current circuits like interior lighting, audio system, power accessories, and dashboard electronics. Its layout is clearly labeled for quick identification and replacement of fuses, making maintenance straightforward and user-friendly. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.